Linking your bank account to MyFitnessPal can help you track your expenses related to health and fitness. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Open MyFitnessPal app. Launch the MyFitnessPal app on your smartphone or access the website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SREP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Banking or Financial Settings. Look for an option labeled Banking Financial Settings or something similar. This is where you will find the option to link your bank account. Step 4. Choose your bank. Click on the option to link a bank account. You will be prompted to select your bank from a list or enter your bank's name to find it. Step 5. Enter your bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information securely. This may include your account number and routing number, or you may need to log in using your online banking credentials. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to MyFitnessPal. This will allow you to track your fitness-related expenses more effectively.